I do want a better set. They got this fancy all in one thing. Shit, I look at it like I could buy two of them and have twice as much effectiveness, productivity. Um, you see people in fancy cars, nigga, I be Ubering and fucking walking and doing the bus. But there is a capacity to think more and thus have more and be responsible for more. And you don't think about those things. you know, does does shout out to Godfrey, comedian Godfrey, who can do anybody's voice. But does Elon Musk have